Wales on the 30th of March 2025. There will be a combined service for the branches of the Goshen Assembly. It's the Great Deliverance Service, brought to you by the Mountain of Fire and Miracles Ministries Goshen Assembly, Cardiff. Theme: All-Round Victory. Pastor Ladejola Abiodun, the Assistant General Overseer, will be ministering live. This gathering will hold at the St. Peter Street, Cardiff, CF24 3BA, Wales, 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. The Mountain of Fire and Miracles Ministries Goshen Assembly, a great deliverance service, all-round victory. Come to this meeting with a bottle of oil, for the God that answereth all things is waiting for you. Jesus is Lord. Mountain of Fire and Miracles Ministries, surely the Lord is here.